Do you often feel back pain, stiff joints, or have trouble squatting down? Does every morning bring dull aches in your back, neck, shoulders, or knees? Sometimes just bending down to tie your shoes or reaching for something up high feels difficult and painful. These aches don't just bother you, they also affect your mood, how well you work, and your daily life. Have you ever wondered, why does my body ache so much even though I'm still young? You're not alone. In fact, millions of people around the world deal with body aches every day. Whether you're a student, an office worker, or a homemaker, anyone can have these problems. Sometimes, we think we're the only ones who ache, but actually, this is a very common issue in today's world. Sharing and understanding this feeling will help you feel better and motivate you to find solutions together. Most body aches today aren't because of age, but because of our inactive lifestyles, sitting too much, looking down at our phones, and working at computers. We spend hours in front of screens, rarely getting up to move or change positions. Sitting with bad posture, leaning forward or hunching over when using phones or laptops makes our muscles tight and joints stiff. Over time, these habits build up into long-lasting pain, making you feel tired, sluggish, and less productive. Our bodies are made to move, but we often freeze them in one position. When you sit for a long time without moving, your muscles and joints get lazy, blood doesn't flow well, and you feel numb and achy. This doesn't just affect your bones and muscles, it also lowers your energy, makes you easily annoyed, unable to focus, and can even mess with your sleep. If you don't change, these problems can become long-term, making daily life difficult. But the good news is, you can totally make this better. Today, let's check out 5 simple exercises that don't need any equipment. You can do them right at home or in the office, and they can help improve 95% of your movement problems. These exercises are made for all ages and fitness levels, and best of all, they don't take much time. With just a few gentle moves, you'll make your joints more flexible, ease pain, build muscle strength, and prevent common injuries from sitting too much. Just 15-20 minutes a day, and you'll feel a big difference. Less pain, more flexibility, and lots of energy. Many people have tried it and found their bodies healthier and their minds clearer after just a short time of sticking with it. You'll do daily activities more easily, sleep better, and feel happier. Don't wait until the pain gets really bad to start taking care of your health. Start taking care of your body today. Let's start freeing your body right now. Don't let aches and pains stop you from enjoying life to the fullest. With just a little bit of effort and sticking with it, you'll see your body change every day. Let's work out together, get healthier, and live more actively every day. The world's greatest stretch is one of the best full-body stretches out there, used by trainers and athletes all over the world. This exercise doesn't just stretch big muscle groups, it also makes you more flexible, helps you move more freely, and helps your body recover after long hours of work or tough workouts. When you do the world's greatest stretch, you'll really feel it working your hips, upper back, and hamstrings. These are often tight areas, especially if you sit a lot or don't move much. These areas can get tight easily from sitting too long at a computer, driving, or studying. When your hip muscles and hamstrings get short, you'll feel aches and pains, move less well, and might even get hurt if you don't take care of them. Doing this stretch regularly will help release that tightness, get your blood flowing better, and make your whole body feel good and comfortable. To start, get into a high plank position. Your hands should be right under your shoulders, and your body should be in a straight line from your head to your heels. From there, step your right foot up outside your right hand, keeping your knee and ankle in line. You'll really feel a stretch in your hip, groin, and inner thigh. This is the first step to opening up your hip joint, which is super important for moving around easily. Next, gently lower your left forearm to the floor, and at the same time, reach your right arm up towards the ceiling, twisting your upper body as much as you can. This move helps stretch and make your upper back more flexible, while also opening up your chest and shoulders. Try to keep your hips from dropping and feel the twist in your upper back. Twisting your upper body also helps with your posture, reduces back pain, and makes it easier to do everyday things. After that, slowly lower your right hand to the floor, straighten your right leg out in front, and lift your hips up high. Now, you'll really feel a strong stretch in your hamstrings. These muscles often get tight from sitting a lot or intense workouts. This move not only makes your legs more flexible, but also helps prevent hamstring injuries, especially for those who run or play sports often. After you finish the moves on your right side, do the whole thing again on your left side. Doing both sides evenly will help balance your body, making sure all your muscle groups get stretched the same amount. This will improve your posture and lower your chances of having muscle imbalances. Don't rush. Take your time to feel each movement and how your body changes with every repeat. To get the best results, do each side 5 times or more, moving slowly and controlling each breath. Breathe in deeply as you get ready, and breathe out as you stretch. This helps your body relax and makes the stretch work better. Breathing steadily not only helps you focus more but also helps reduce stress, improves your mood, and makes you feel more connected to your body and mind. Remember, you don't need to force yourself into a perfect pose or try to reach your body's absolute limit. Everyone has different levels of flexibility, and the most important thing is to listen to what your body tells you. If you feel pain or discomfort, adjust your position to make it feel right, and keep your movements gentle and comfortable. Being patient and listening to your body will help you get better safely and for the long run. After just a few times, you'll really feel a difference. Your body will be more flexible, your joints will move easier, and that tight feeling will be much less. Many people also feel refreshed, light, and full of energy after each session. This shows that your muscles and joints have been freed from long-held tension. The world's greatest stretch is a great choice for warming up before your workout. It gets your body ready for intense activities like running, going to the gym, yoga, or even home workouts. You can also do this stretch in the morning to wake up your body and start your day feeling flexible and energized. Just a few minutes each day, and you'll notice a big difference in your health and how well you can move. Try adding the world's greatest stretch to your daily routine and feel the positive changes it brings. Whether you're just starting out or have been working out for a long time, this stretch is good for everyone and offers real benefits. Don't hesitate. Start today to enjoy a healthy, flexible, and energetic body. The 90-90 hip switch helps free up your hip joints, makes you more stable, and eases lower back pain. Sit on the floor with both legs bent at 90-degree angles, keeping your back straight. Slowly turn both knees to the opposite side without using your hands, switching smoothly from one side to the other. If it's hard, use your hands to lightly support yourself behind you, or sit on a cushion to help. Do 10-15 switches, focusing on slow, controlled movements. As you get better, try doing it without your hands to make it more challenging. This exercise makes your hips more flexible, lowers your chance of back pain, and helps you walk better. Cat-cow is a classic yoga exercise. It helps make your spine more flexible and eases tension. Start on your hands and knees, with your back flat. As you breathe in, drop your belly, push your chest out, and lift your head up. This is the cow pose. As you breathe out, pull your belly in, round your back towards the ceiling, and bring your chin to your chest. This is the cat pose. Do this 10 to 15 times, moving with your breath. Do it slowly, feeling each part of your spine move. This exercise helps with back pain, makes your posture better, and helps you feel more connected to your body. Try to make cat-cow a daily habit. The deep squat hold helps bring back our natural way of sitting. It makes your ankles more flexible, your knees and your hips, and it stretches your lower back. Stand with your feet a little wider than your shoulders, with your toes pointing out a bit. Slowly lower your hips as low as you can, making sure your heels stay on the floor. Relax your back and put your elbows inside your knees to help open up your hips. Breathe deeply and gently rock side to side to let go of any tightness. If it's hard to keep your balance, hold onto a wall or put something under your heels. Start by holding it for 30 seconds, then slowly increase to 2 to 3 minutes every day. Try to do this pose often in your daily life to keep your body naturally flexible. Wall angels help fix rounded shoulders and a forward head, which are common problems from using computers and phones. Stand with your back against a wall, making sure your heels, butt, upper back and head all touch the wall. Raise your arms out to the sides, bending your elbows at a 90-degree angle. Press the backs of your hands and forearms against the wall. Slowly slide your hands up and down, keeping all those points touching the wall. Do this 10 to 15 times. Move slowly and don't push yourself too hard. If you can't touch the wall completely, just go as far as you can without any pain. This exercise helps you stand taller, open your shoulders, and feel more confident every day. To build a body that's free from aches and pains, you don't need to spend hours at the gym or buy expensive equipment. With just 15-20 minutes a day, you can totally do these 5 simple but super effective exercises right at home. Start with the world's greatest stretch. It's a full body move that helps stretch everything out, makes your joints more flexible, and gets rid of muscle stiffness after a long day of work or school. Pay attention to each movement and feel the stretch in your hips, back, shoulders, and chest. This move not only helps you warm up but also gets your blood flowing, getting you ready for the next exercises. Next, move on to the 90-90 hip switch to open up and make your hip joints more flexible. This area often gets tight from sitting a lot. After that, do cat-cow, a gentle yoga exercise that helps release tension in your spine, improves your posture, and really helps with back pain. Don't forget the deep squat. Hold. This deep squat position stretches your whole lower body, makes your legs stronger, and helps with your balance. Finally, wall angels will help you open up your shoulders, reduce neck pain, and improve your sitting posture, which is super helpful for anyone who works at a desk or is a student. When you stick with this exercise routine every day, in just 2 weeks, you'll really feel a positive change in your body. The movements will get easier, your body will be more flexible, aches and pains will slowly go away, and you'll feel more energetic every morning when you wake up. Touching your toes, reaching up or turning around won't be a challenge anymore. You'll realize that with just a little patience and determination, your body can totally change. After 1 month, you'll find that everyday activities like walking, climbing stairs, playing with your kids, or even running feel so much easier. Your body will get used to the new exercise routine, your joints will be more flexible, your stamina will go up, and the aches and pains will pretty much disappear. By the 3-month mark, this exercise routine will become a must-do part of your life. Just like brushing your teeth every morning, you'll feel free in every movement, no longer held back by pain or a stiff body. Aches and pains aren't just something that happens as you get older or because of your job. They're just a sign that your body needs the right care and attention. You can totally change that with small habits every day. Feel confident enjoying an active, happy life without worrying about sudden pains. That light, comfy feeling after each workout will keep you going with this habit for a long time. Don't wait any longer. Start today. All you need is a yoga mat, a small space, and 15 minutes every day, and you'll build a strong, flexible body that's no longer limited by pain. Set a goal for yourself, schedule your workouts regularly, and feel the change every day. Don't forget to listen to your body, adjust the movements to what you can do, and always stay positive throughout your workout journey. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this helpful, please share it with your friends and family so we can all build a healthy, active community that's free from aches and pains. Let the journey of change start today, for a healthy body, a life full of energy, and happiness.